Hello everyone, welcome to the C# tutorials section of our channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to receive free updates. As part of creating a decision-making structure, the programmer must specify one or more conditions that must be evaluated or tested by the program, along with a statement or statements that must be executed if the condition is determined to be true. If the condition is determined to be false, the programmer may specify additional statements that must be executed. This lesson is all about the decision control structures in C#. The lesson includes sample programs to better understand how to use and how the decision control structures in C# works. By the end of this lesson, students should be able to 1. Demonstrate essential understanding on the decision control structures. 2. Create a program with one-way, two-way and more selections in C#. 3. Solve problems using the concept of decision control structures in C#. Decision-making structures requires the programmer to specify one or more conditions to be evaluated or tested by the program, along with a statement or statements to be executed if the condition is determined to be true, and optionally, other statements to be executed if the condition is determined to be false. The conditional statements of C#. If else, if, nested if, switch, nested switch statement. C# if statement. If statement. The if statement checks the given condition. If the condition evaluates to be true, then the block of code / statements will execute, otherwise not. C# if else statement. The if statement evaluates the code if the condition is true, but what if the condition is not true? Here comes the else statement. It tells the code what to do when the if condition is false. C# if, else, if statement. The if-else if latter statement executes one condition from multiple statements. The execution starts from top and check for each if condition. The statement of if block will be executed which evaluates to be true. If none of the if condition evaluates to be true, then the last else block is evaluated. C# nested if statement. If statement inside an if statement is known as nested if. If statement in this case is the target of another if or else statement. When more than one condition needs to be true and one of the condition is the subcondition of parent condition, nested if can be used. C# switch statement. Switch statement is an alternative to long if-else if ladders. The expression is checked for different cases and the one match is executed. Break statement is used to move out of the switch. If the break is not used, the control will flow to all cases below it until break is found or switch comes to an end. There is default case, optional, at the end of switch. If none of the case matches, then default case is executed. Thank you for watching. For more tutorials on C#, please like, share and subscribe to your channel. Happy coding!